Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You should start by powering down and unplugging the system. Once done, ground yourself to avoid static. Remove the case side panel and store screws where you won't lose them. Inspect the motherboard area for open PCIe X16 slots and measure the available clearance so the GPU will fit without bending cables. Make sure your power supply has the required PCIe connectors and sufficient wattage. If not, prepare adapters or a PSU upgrade before proceeding to seating the card. You'll remove the matching expansion slot covers and loosen any retention screws, then align the GPU's PCIe edge with the motherboard slot. With steady pressure, push the card straight into the slot until the retention latch clicks. Do not force at an angle. Once seated, secure the metal bracket to the case with screws so the card is stable. Connect the necessary 6-pin or 8-pin PCIe power cables from the PSU. Once connected, tidy cables to prevent fan obstruction and improve airflow. You can now replace the side panel, reconnect power, and attach your monitor to the new GPU outputs. Boot the machine. If necessary, enter BIOS to set the PCIe device as primary, then install the latest GPU drivers for your OS. Once drivers are installed, confirm proper temperatures and fan operation under light load. If the system fails to post or shows no video, power down, reseat the card and power connectors. Try a different PCIe slot or known good cable. This single
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.